Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a timer in Premiere Pro that is animated. So without further ado, let's go straight right into this. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is you need to have a solid background video just like this that I'm playing a guitar video, and this picture as well with the King Hunter logo or any logo that you want. I will put the two pictures in the description below so you can download it and practice yourself. Second, you need to come and download or make a picture just like this but without background, and it has to be black. And then you need to come here to this site that I will put again the link in the description below, and what you're going to do is you're going to upload the image here so it can remove that black background at the back of it, just like this. When I take this here, boom, just like this. And it's simple, it's pretty simple and easy. Now I have to delete this, okay, and bring this here. Okay, I don't know what did it happen, but I have to bring here, since I delete that photo, that's why there was an error there. So this is the text, or should I say whatever you want to call. So I decided to bring this here just like this one, but I need to little make it smaller just like this. Okay, I think this is perfect. Let me just make it clear. Perfect. Okay, and next we're going to go to the crop, to effect control, and type in crop, and you're going to drag it to this photo, to this one, and here's the crop. So we're going to do it from the right, not from the right, from the left to right, but you can do whichever you want. You can do from the top. It's based on your idea and your imagination, stuff like that. So yeah, and you have to create your own imagination. Maybe you want to do it from bottom to up or from right to left, but I'm going to do from left to right, just like this. But first we need to click this keyframe, or it says toggle animation, this clock one. So there's one keyframe here, and we have to click it 100. Oh, sorry, 0. Okay, no, this is perfect. So see, it's not the way that is working. So we have to come here and we have to do it again. Sorry about that. Left, this is 0, and we're going to come here, make another one, and we're going to put it 100. So it's like this, see? And if you want, you can make it slower. Just you have to make the video longer, the thing longer, and that should work. See, this is longer, and you can click here, speed, duration, and change the speed if you want to by moving this like this, and it will be longer as well, whatever you want to do. But from my opinion, you can just drag this and do it like this to this, instead of clicking the speed. Instead of clicking right click and going to the speed direction, you can just simply do this thing and extend it, instead of clicking and going to the speed direction or duration, whatever you call, and see, it's now slower. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. For now, peace out.